friends. So today is Tuesday, May 28th, and I thought I would vlog today and do like a day in my life vlog because I recently did a week in my life and you guys seem to really like that. So I wanted to do a day in my life and see if you guys like daily vlogs better or weekly vlogs. Either way, I could do both. Good morning. I just woke up. I have a lot to do today. Today is going to be a very productive day, kind of getting my life back together because over the last like week or so I've just been like go non-stop pretty much. I don't know if you can tell behind me, probably not, which is good, but my room is such a disaster. Like, it needs to be cleaned desperately. So that's what I'm going to start off by doing this morning. I've got some assignments to do for my online classes, and later on today I might see my best friend Grace because she's coming back into town. I think right now though I'm going to go downstairs and make my celery juice. Alright guys, celery juice is served. Cheers. Happy Tuesday. Guys, it is literally so nice outside. I think I'm gonna go out and sit there and probably do my meditation out there and write in my journal as well because it is such a beautiful day. I'm so happy. So I've been sitting outside for like an hour now, and I'm not kidding you guys, like this is like the perfect weather. Like, it is so beautiful out here. But I just did a meditation, I wrote in my journal, finished my celery juice. Now I'm gonna eat breakfast because I haven't done that yet. Yeah, I don't know, I just feel so grateful just to be where I am right now. And I think that's so important, is to always honor where you are in your life, even, you know, if it is like a stagnant place and you feel like there hasn't been much change or many exciting things happening for you. Like, it's still important to honor like wherever you are, because this is also like part of your journey and it's really necessary too. So I kind of focused on that during like my little writing session and stuff, just reminding myself about, you know, what my purpose is, what my goal is in life, and that, you know, this is important. Like, this place in my life is important. I kind of just went off on a spiel that I didn't think I was going to. I was gonna say that I might do my homework out here because it's so nice out, and like, why not? You know, I feel like it can make homework a little bit more enjoyable. We don't have any like kind of table out here, which I wish we did. I actually want to like help my parents like redecorate. Do you decorate a backyard? Not really, but like I think it would be cute to have like a little table like back here in this corner, so then I could come out here and like the mornings have some coffee. We have a table like on our front porch, but I feel like we need one back here. And then I've also always wanted a hammock, so if I can convince my parents to get a hammock, ooh, I will. Okay guys, I low-key forgot I have to clean my room like desperately, so I'm gonna do that first and then start my homework. But I made some pineapple for breakfast. I'm just now starting to try this new thing of eating fruit first thing in the morning, because I heard that's a good thing to do. So I'm gonna just have a bunch of pineapple for breakfast basically. All right guys, I'm about to show you guys what my room looks like right now, and just please don't judge me for it because my room isn't like this often. Like, this is just when my own life is kind of a mess. My room kind of starts to, you know, reflect that. So I mean, honestly, it's been worse. It's definitely been worse, but here's what it looks like. Got a bunch of shoes, ton of clothes. Actually, the majority is just clothes that's like on the ground and everywhere, and then just like some old coffee and bottles and just, yeah, it's not cute. So we're gonna fix it. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna do a little cleaning montage. So I'm just about done with cleaning my room. I just have to put all these shoes away in my closet, which I actually don't have like a ton of space for, but I'm just gonna like try to make it work. After I clean my room, I'm just so much more joyful, and like it just helps me have a clear mind too, so I just don't feel like everything's a mess, you know, literally and mentally. After this, then I'll be able to do my homework in peace. All right guys, look at the difference now. Oh my god, this makes me so happy. It's so clean. And I lit a candle over there, as you can see. All my shoes are put away. Love that. Okay, you guys know I love to share my favorite podcasts with you guys. So while I was cleaning my room, I was listening to the Minimalist podcast. You can see right there. And for some reason, like the episode name like changed, but I was listening to one about mindfulness. It looks like now it's saying it's called Constipation of the Soul, unless they just like literally changed the name of it. But I swear I was listening to a different one. I'm a little confused, but any of their episodes are just incredible and I highly recommend. I just did like 10 push-ups and 10 sit-ups outside for an assignment for my kinesiology class. I basically just had to record myself doing those things, and then I have to like analyze what like muscles and stuff are used when you do like sit-ups and push-ups and whatnot. But I'm kind of out of breath because I had to do it in the sun for the lighting to be okay. Kind of last minute, this assignment's due today, but I'm doing it right now. Love that for me. Okay guys, so it is a little bit later and I'm just gonna do my makeup really quick. Nothing like too dramatic, just probably like mascara and like foundation or my CC cream that I wear. I forgot that I had set up an appointment today at this new gym that I might start going to, because if you watched my last vlog, you know that my gym that I've been going to basically since I moved back to Northern California just closed down out of nowhere, and I'm really sad about it. I'm trying out another one that's in my hometown, but it's really small, so we're gonna see how it is. They do have another location that is just like a little bit farther. I was supposed to start like my 7-day free trial, but I'm not actually gonna work out today. I think I'm just gonna go like look at it and like get like the key thing, so maybe I can go tomorrow morning. But I have an appointment set up at 4, so I'm gonna go to that. It is 3:26, but this gym is like really close to my house, so I think it'll only take like 5 minutes to get there. Either way, I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter. I just need a place where I can work out, you know, like do weightlifting and like not weightlifting, muscle training, weight training. We will see how that goes. I will keep you guys updated. All right guys, so I just finished doing like the lightest amount of makeup and I got dressed. I'm just wearing like a jumper and a cardigan because it's kind of cold out, and then I have this little head wrap on. I'm gonna go ahead and head on over there. I'm really hoping that the owner guy is there because like he didn't really confirm that I was coming because I responded to him a little bit late. So I'm just gonna hope that he's there and that the door is unlocked for me. We'll see, I guess. We'll just see what happens. So I just left the gym and I talked to the owner. He was super nice. I got my little key fob thing so I can use the gym basically 24 hours. The gym is really small, but I don't know, I feel like I might like that. So I'm gonna do a 7-day trial. Like I said, they have another location that's a little farther that I could also go to if I become like a member, or I guess I could do a trial at that one too. I'm probably gonna go tomorrow morning, most likely. I'm excited. I've been home for a little bit, but I'm actually about to go to this like hiking place, but I'm not actually gonna hike. I'm just gonna go see some cows that are there because I've been wanting to see these cows for so long. I thought I was gonna see my friend Grace tonight, but I don't think she's gonna make it into town till like way later, so I'll probably see her tomorrow. I'm basically taking a little bit of a homework break to go and see these cows, and I'm really excited. Guys, I'm really sad. There are no cows here. We drove all the way here for the cows and there was not a single cow in sight. I think we had to like hike like at least like 2 miles up this like really tall mountain to find the cows if they are here. I don't know where they went. Honestly, they probably took them to the slaughterhouse, which that makes me really emotional. We're leaving now. I took some photos in the car even though I want some nature shots, but that'll have to do. No cows. Hi guys, so it is much later now and I have been just doing homework for the past like 2 hours since we got home. I'm finishing up that kinesiology assignment. I basically had to like record myself doing like a few different exercises and stuff. Still being productive here. All my homework is due in just a few hours, so I'm trying to get it all done and then I'll probably just start editing this video. I think that's where I'm gonna go ahead and end it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more daily vlogs from me or weekly vlogs, let me know whatever you prefer in a comment below. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to be here, be still, and be love. Bye guys.